Hey friends, if you're over 60 and you wake up feeling like you've been hit by a truck, even after what should have been a solid 8 hours of sleep, if coffee doesn't touch it, if you're dragging yourself through the day, canceling plans with grandkids because you're just too tired, and everyone keeps saying that's just aging, I'm here to tell you, no, it's not just aging. This kind of bone-deep exhaustion is your body screaming at you. It's a 5-alarm fire. And if you ignore it, it can quietly steal 10 to 20 healthy years off your life. Today I'm revealing the 5 real reasons seniors over 60 feel exhausted all day, even after good sleep. And more importantly, I'm giving you simple, doctor-approved fixes you can start tonight that thousands of my viewers over 65 have used to get their energy back in as little as 7 to 14 days. Stick around until reason number 1. It's the one that shocks every single person in my office. And it's probably happening to you right now, without you even knowing. Let's dive in. Reason number 5. You're low on the energy vitamin that 92% of seniors are deficient in. It's not B12. It's vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. After 60, your skin makes up to 75% less vitamin D from the sun than it did when you were 30. Add in that most of us stay indoors more, wear long sleeves, use sunscreen religiously, and live north of Atlanta, where winter sun is too weak anyway. Result? Over 92% of adults over 65 are either deficient or insufficient in vitamin D, according to the New England Journal of Medicine. And vitamin D isn't just for bones. It's literally the master switch for cellular energy. Low D equals your mitochondria run at 40 to 50% capacity. You feel like you're walking through molasses. Signs you're low: achy muscles and joints feeling down, or blue more often, getting sick more than usual, hair thinning faster. And yes, crushing fatigue that sleep doesn't fix. Real story. Margaret from Ohio, 68, wrote me, I was sleeping 10 hours and still napping twice a day. Doctor said, you're just old. I got my vitamin D tested. It was 12. Started 5,000 IU daily with K2. In 3 weeks, I was gardening again. I cried happy tears. Fix. Get your blood level tested. Aim for 50 to 70 ml. Take 4,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily. With meal containing fat, add 100 to 200 micrograms of vitamin K2 to send calcium to bones. Not arteries. 15 minutes of midday sun on arms and legs. When possible, eat fatty fish 3x week. Or take cod liver oil. Do this. And most people feel a noticeable energy lift in 2 to 4 weeks. Reason number 4. Hidden anemia that doctors often miss in seniors. You think anemia is just low iron, right? Wrong. After 60, the number 1 cause of anemia is not iron. It's vitamin B12 deficiency or folate deficiency, and it's sneaky. Why? Your stomach acid drops dramatically with age. Low stomach acid equals you can't absorb B12 from food anymore. Up to 40% of seniors over 70 have atrophic gastritis. Basically, your stomach forgets how to digest. Result: B12 levels crash, red blood cells get too big, and lazy oxygen delivery tanks you feel like you're breathing through a straw all day. Classic signs: pale inner eyelid smooth, red tongue, tingling in hands, feet, brain fog, plus exhaustion. That's worse as the day goes on. Shortness of breath. Walking to mailbox, my patient Tom, 72, retired Marine. I thought I was dying. Slept 9 hours. Still couldn't stay awake past dinner. Blood work showed B12 at 180. Started sublingual B12 and B-complex. In 10 days, it was back to 36 holes of golf. True story. Fix. Ask for a serum B12 and methylmalonic acid test. Take 1,000 to 5,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin sublingual daily. Eat more animal foods or fortified nutritional yeast if you've been on metformin or heartburn meds for years. Your high-risk. Reason number 3. Your thyroid is whispering, help me. 1 in 5 women and 1 in 10 men over 65 have undiagnosed or undertreated hypothyroidism. Your thyroid is the gas pedal for your entire metabolism. When it slows down after 60, everything slows: heart rate, digestion, brain function, temperature regulation. You literally run on low battery 24/7. Symptoms doctors dismiss as normal aging. Always cold, dry skin, and hair falling out in clumps, constipation. That fiber doesn't fix gaining weight, looking at food, and soul-crushing fatigue That's worse in the morning, Linda, 66 from Florida. Every doctor said, your TSH is normal. I insisted on full thyroid panel. Free T3 was rock bottom. Started natural desiccated thyroid. In 6 weeks, I dropped 18 pounds and feel 15 years younger. Fix. Don't accept it. Your TSH is normal. Demand free T4, free T3, reverse T3, and Anybody's optimal TSH or energy is 0.5 to 2.0. Add selenium, zinc, and iodine if deficient. Avoid goitrogens raw. Cook them. Consider low-dose NDD or T3 if T4. Only meds aren't working. Reason number 2. Chronic inflammation, the silent energy thief after 60. Your body is often in a low-grade inflammatory state called inflammaging. Belly fat, processed foods, gum disease, old injuries. They all pump out inflammatory cytokines that make you feel 20 years older. Inflammation literally poisons your mitochondria. Studies show people with high CRP have 3x higher fatigue levels. Signs: aches and pains that move around swollen fingers in the morning, skin issues, brain fog, and constant low energy no matter how much you sleep. Fix. The 30-day inflammation reset my viewers swear by. Cut sugar and refined carbs to under 50 g day. Eat 7 to 10 servings of colorful vegetables daily. Take curcumin 500 milligrams 2x day omega. 3 fish oil 2,000 to 4,000 milligrams EPA, DHA 8 to 10 hours. Sleep gentle, walking 20 to 30 minutes daily. Most people report 50 to 70% energy improvement in 2 to 4 weeks. And now, the number one reason you're exhausted all day after 60, even after sleeping 8 hours. Reason number 1, undiagnosed sleep apnea. This is the big one. 70 to 80% of seniors with daytime fatigue have obstructive sleep apnea, and most have no idea. Your airway collapses hundreds of times per night. You stop breathing for 10 to 60 seconds. Your brain wakes you up just enough to gasp, but not enough to remember. You never get deep restorative sleep or REM sleep. You wake up exhausted because you've been in survival mode all night. Risk factors after 60: neck larger than 16-inch or 17, snoring, waking up with dry mouth or headache, high blood pressure, overweight. My patient Robert, 69. Wife said I snore like a freight train. I felt fine, just tired all day. Did a home sleep study, 48 events per hour. Got a CPAP. In 1 week, I felt like I was 45 again. I actually cried the first morning I woke up refreshed. Fix. Do a home sleep test. Lose 10% body weight equals 50% improvement. In many cases, sleep on your side. Avoid alcohol 4 hours before bed. Try myofunctional therapy, exercise, a CPAP, BiPAP, or new oral appliances work miracles. If you have even 2 to 3 of these signs, get tested this month. It's life-changing. Final message. Friends, exhaustion after 60 is not normal and not inevitable. Start with these 3 action steps today. Get blood work. Vitamin D, B12, MMA, CBC, full thyroid panel. CRP, ask your spouse or record yourself. Do you stop breathing at night? Pick one fix from today's video and commit for 30 days. You deserve to feel alive again. To play with grandkids, travel, dance at your 50th anniversary. Don't let anyone tell you it's just old age. Take control. Your energy is coming back. I promise. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Comment below which of these 5 reasons shocked you most, or share your energy success story. I read every single one. See you in the next one. Now go get your life back.